Welcome back, AG community. So I have a fun, awesome video for you guys, and don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. So we're going to do an overview of my Our Generation fridge, stocked with all these yummy food accessories, and I'll be going through it. I just quickly wanted to show you the overview of the kitchen because I do change it quite often when I'm making like a new scenery for the photography that I do. So quickly over here, I'll start off with the table. This is the Our Generation plastic weight table. It's okay for right now. It's really inexpensive and plain. It gets the job done. But I am thinking of purchasing an American Girl table in the future. So we just have some goodies here, some sugar, some tea, all the fattening stuff that we can't eat without gaining weight. But over here we just have the radio, a Walmart little shopping cart. Then over here we have that beautiful candle that I showed you guys in my haul. I have a little gift bag for her, the other thing that I found from Pier 1, and I decided to put this picture that I already had from American Girl just to give it some more life to the kitchen. So now let's continue on to the part that we're all excited about, which is the fridge. So I have it open just because I don't want things falling in and out. And I'll move a little bit closer so we can really go through everything. So I'll start with the top. I have two jelly and honey from Our Generation. And I love the detailing on the, what is that called? Not yarn. But you know what I'm talking about. It looks so cute. And then on the outer parts over here, I love that this opens. How cute. I have some cheese. Oh, love it. You know what I'm missing? I'm missing butter and eggs, which I'm really sad about that. This Our Generation kitchen didn't come with. I know the other ones do, and I know that American Girl comes out with the butter and eggs, so I need that. That's a must. I mean, come on. Then over here, I have this. What is this, like a burrito? I don't know. It's from American Girl from ages ago, so I just have that there. On the bottom over here, I have this super cute, it's an eraser. It's a cup, what is this? Cup mao? I don't know, it's pretty much like chicken noodle soup. He looks like he wants to fight. Hee-yaw. Alright, I'm so weird. Then over here I have tomato soup and I have fruit punch over there. So over here, let me move her. Sorry, Sage. Look how beautiful she is. Literally like my favorite doll ever. Oh, now you guys can see better the decoration there. I like to keep it like minimal down there and then just add all the decor on the console table. Super cute. But yeah, moving along over here, I just have these two breads with olive oil and what is it, basil. This says OG formula, but whatever. You could pretend it's like tea or like some kombucha drink. Then I have some sodas over here and ketchup and mustard. And then, oh my god, look at this. Is filled with all the breads. I have pizza, which is a must. Who doesn't love pizza? How cute. Oh my god, sorry about my nails, guys. But yeah, this is pizza from Our Generation. And then I have some cute donuts from Our Generation. Oh my god, I'm not even kidding, guys. Oh, look how many sandwiches I have. Everything's falling now. All those sandwiches that I have in the back. Peanut butter and jelly, and then I guess that's like turkey with lettuce. But I have the Walmart one of bagels over here. I have muffins from Our Generation and biscuits. So, and then I have Nenea's, I have Nenea's sandwich over there, which is so cute. Then moving over here, I have some chocolate milk, chocolate syrup, some water, tomato soup, the alphabet chicken noodle soup. I have some yogurt from American Girl from ages ago again. I have some sushi, peaches and tuna. Super cute. Oh, I also have some grapes over there. So when you open this, try to open it, you will see some cookies, which if I can get out, that would be amazing. So I can show you guys over here. Sorry. Should I put it here or over here? Yeah, I'll just put it right here. So we just have some cookies from, this one I think is from Our Dolly's Dining Room, which this one, and I love these because they look so realistic compared to the other ones, the generic ones that you get. So those are quite cute. This one's from Our Generation, which I think is nice because it looks a lot better than those typical plastic ones. Oh my god, how cute. This looks so good. Then we have some macaroons, and we have a bunch of chocolate at the bottom because who doesn't enjoy chocolate? Come on, guys. Although, I don't know if this is a myth or not, but whenever I eat chocolate, I do break out. So, chocolate, why are you so evil? Over here, I have just some regular stuff to make a good old hamburger. Some lettuce, some meat, some buns, pickles, tomatoes, corn. So cute. Oh my god. And I like when they're kind of textured and rubberish and not just plain old plastic. Just gives them more life. Oop, we'll just leave that there right now. And then over here we have Nenea's pineapple slices. Oh, so cute. And then I have two different pineapples. They're both from Our Generation, but there you can see the differences. They're really big, nice size, and colorful. And then on the bottom, we have good old fruits and vegetables. This is an eraser that I've had for a really long time. Got a banana and watermelon, so that's so cute. And then last but not least, I'm trying to get this out without everything falling out of here. I have a cute milkshake, some french fries, although they really shouldn't go here, but whatever. Then I have this lasagna platter. Oh my god, how yummy. I have this ice cream cone, a little cocktail. This looks so good. They did a good job with this. I like that. What else? Oh, lasagna from American Girl. These erasers. Oops, I took it off. But yeah, those are cupcake erasers. Our Generation cupcakes. This cute lollipop. This popsicle stick. There's another. Oh no, that's the same one. This strawberry milkshake. Let's see what else. That's pretty much the deal. Oh, that's all there. But yeah, a lot of my accessories are from Our Generation. I actually have ordered some more things from American Girl, even though it's pricier. I love the quality and it's super cute. So I hope you guys enjoyed the overview of my fridge for my dolls. And again, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Thank you.